The debate surrounding the origins of complex biological systems has been a burning topic in both scientific and religious discourse. Supporters of intelligent design argue that organs such as the human eye, kidneys, heart, and lungs display a tremendous amount of irreducible complexity that the Darwinian model of evolution fails to explain. Darwinism, as we all know, tries to argue that these intricate biological machines gradually evolved through random incremental changes. This essay will explore the highly sophisticated nature of these organs, illustrating how their design suggests a purposeful creator rather than blind evolution. Irreducible complexity is the name given to the argument that most biological systems cannot function if they lose any of their parts. Such systems are seen as irreducibly complex because they require all of their components to be present and functioning simultaneously to fulfill their roles. The human eye serves as a prime example of this concept. It consists of various interconnected parts, including the cornea, lens, retina, and optic nerve, each crucial for vision. The loss of any single component renders the entire system non-functional, suggesting that it could not have evolved through a series of gradual modifications. The eye is truly a marvel of biological engineering. Its ability to perceive light and process images involves intricate mechanisms such as photoreceptor cells that convert light into neural signals. The coordinated operation of the eye's various parts, such as the pupil, iris, and lens, demonstrates a level of complexity that is impossible to attribute to random mutations. The idea that an eye could evolve incrementally from a simple light-sensitive spot to a fully functional organ fails to explain how each evolutionary step would provide a survival advantage without the complete system in place. Kidneys also exemplify irreducible complexity. Their primary function is to filter blood, removing waste while retaining essential substances. This involves a sophisticated structure composed of nephrons, which include glomeruli and tubules, working in tandem to ensure homeostasis. If any part of this filtration system were to go missing, the kidneys would not perform their vital function. The complexity of renal physiology raises questions about how such a finely tuned organ could arise from simple, uncoordinated changes over time. The simultaneous presence of all components suggests intentional design. The heart, a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, operates through a coordinated system of valves, chambers, and electrical impulses. The evolutionary process would require numerous steps where incomplete versions of the heart could still function. And yet, in practice, we see that any deviation from the fully developed heart structure results in catastrophic failure. The heart's design, characterized by its intricate network of arteries, veins, and capillaries, clearly points to a hyper-intelligent and intentional design that far surpasses the supposed capability of any random evolutionary process. Lungs, essential for respiration, showcase yet another instance of irreducible complexity. The tree, branch, and leaf-like structure of the lungs, including the bronchi, bronchioles, and alveoli, have been deliberately optimized for their role in gaseous exchange with the atmosphere. Each of its parts plays a crucial role in maintaining respiratory function, and the absence of any segment would compromise the entire system. The sophisticated design of the lungs, which facilitates gas exchange in a highly efficient manner, once again rules out the possibility of any incremental development through evolutionary means. The human body itself stands as a testament to irreducible complexity, wherein the intricate interconnections and dependencies among its various organs and systems firmly disprove the notion of random evolution. Each bodily function, ranging from digestion and respiration to circulation and neural processing, relies on a finely tuned orchestration of multiple components that must work harmoniously to sustain life. For instance, the digestive system requires not only the stomach and intestines, but also enzymes, hormones, and neural signals from the brain to function properly. The absence of any one element would cause the entire process to fall apart. This complex interdependence suggests that the human body could not have emerged through a series of incremental chance mutations. As such, random changes would likely result in non-viable organisms that would die immediately, even if they were to be somehow brought into existence. The sophisticated architecture of the human body rather points to a superbly intelligent design, wherein each part was purposefully created to fulfill its role within a complex living system. The complexity and interdependence of the human eye, kidneys, heart, lungs, and so on firmly proves the reality of intelligent design. These organs demonstrate irreducible complexity, confirming that they could not have emerged from random incremental changes as proposed by traditional evolutionary theory. Instead, the intricate structures and functions observed in these systems imply a purposeful designer who engineered these vital components of human biology with wisdom and intent.